video, and today I'll show you how to use telekinesis. So you either press Q or you press E, and then you lock on by hovering your cursor over someone, and then going L, which locks onto them, see? And then you close them up, and then if you hold them up for too long, they fall down to the ground, and then you can then once you pick them back up again, make sure you go W, W, A, A, or D, D. I actually am yet to try something in this video, which is called SS. I haven't tried that yet. Oh, that sends them down. I didn't know that, but SS sends them going down. And if you leave them in the air, as you just saw, if you leave them in the air for too long, if you wait, they fall down. Well, that's about it for this. Video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell button, and that's about it for this video. Bye!